Hey, what's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with a quick update for you on the ARKON Fury Rough Country Black Label Lighting giveaway. If you don't know what's happening, we're giving all those things away. That should be pretty obvious by now. So it's any size, any finish from ARKON Off-Road for the wheels, and basically any tire you want from Fury Off-Road, and then any lift kit from Rough Country up to $2,500, so you can get pretty much anything on there. And if you want something a little more expensive, we might even chip in a couple bucks to get that for you. So if you want to get entered to win, I'll explain that for you really quick. I have to do it fast because my mom is going to realize that I'm standing outside in the cold and in the snow with no jacket on, and she's going to be mad. So if you want to get entered to win, all you got to do is come up to the website, customoffsets.com/giveaway, or just go to the homepage and scroll down. You see the big banner with a truck on it. You click on that, it says giveaway. It should be pretty easy to find. Pick up this shirt. That's going to get you automatically entered to win. So we got Custom Offsets, Rough Country, Fury, ARKON all on the front. We got ARKON on the sleeve, Fury on the opposite side. This is what the back looks like. This is what my back looks like. And there you go, that's the shirt. So you get the shirt, you're automatically entered to win. And like I said, that's any size, any finish of any of the wheels from ARKON Off-Road. Fury tires up to $2,000, Rough Country lift kit up to $2,500, plus lighting from Black Label Lighting. So you can take basically your stock truck and make it look something like this particular one. As you can see, you got the ARKON wheels, you got the Fury tires, you even got a Rough Country 6-inch lift on here, so you can go from your boring black Silverado to this black Silverado that everybody picks on because every single person in the world builds the 07 to 13 black Silverado. We got a couple of them here, and here's a fine example for you. So, like I said, if you want to get entered to win, come up to the website, customoffsets.com/giveaway. This is going to be the easiest way to get you entered. Peace.